Well, during these cautious COVID times, we are practicing our social distancing here on Buzzed-into-Madison, and we're talking about health scams that you need to be aware of today. So we have Courtney with AARP Wisconsin and Lara with Consumer Protection. So Lara, we're going to start with you. What are the key health scams that people need to be aware of going on right now?
So we are seeing scammers pretend that there's a vaccine, that there's a cure. We're seeing scams around trying to get people to buy home test kits to test themselves to see if they actually have the virus.
And just to confirm, none of those three things exist, at least right now.
That's right. There's no vaccine, and if there were a vaccine, you'd know about it. So we really encourage people to go to sources of information that you trust, like the Wisconsin government or the CDC, the Center for Disease Control.
Great tips, thank you. Really, just don't answer your phone, don't reply to any messages. Truly, right now is probably your safest bet. But Courtney, why are the older Wisconsinites, they're always seeming to be the target, and what can they do to really make sure they don't fall prey to this?
Yeah, so it's really all about staying informed. So like Lara mentioned, you can visit the DATCAP website. AARP also has launched a coronavirus website at aarp.org/coronavirus. You can find information there about these scams, but you can also find information about legislation and general health tips. So it's a great resource for all kinds of coronavirus information.
If someone thinks they may have been scammed, what do?
They should definitely reach out and file a complaint with DATCAP, and they can do that online at their website, datcp.gov.
Wonderful tips. Thank you so much. You guys are a breath of fresh air during these troubling times. We thank you so much for being here, Lara and Courtney. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Emmy Fink, and you are Buzzed into Madison.